Hi guys. Hey, I just got a secret box from White, Michigan. Uh, Pretty cool. I had no idea it was coming. Don't know who it's from. So let's see what we got. Man, I love this community, I tell you. Such awesome people in the RC community, model community. Oh, wow. What is that? Wow. Ooh, that is cool. Very cool. Wheel twist angle is flexible and changeable. Metal base. Never heard of that company before. That is cool. Oh, heck yeah. 1/10 scale, 4x4. Metal shocks. Stupid cat. That is sweet. Man, guys, that is so cool. And of course, I don't have my razor blade with me to actually open it. Oh, don't have to. One end of it open. Cool. Got a charger and your tool bag, little things like that. Oh, hang on, guys. Put it down for a minute. Sorry about the moving everything around. Oops. Oh wow, that is neat. That is neat. Check that out. Check that out. Very, very cool. Man, oh man. Oh, dude, no way. This thing, it's got 2 different bodies. No way. That is cool as hell. I've never seen a car come with 2 bodies. That's awesome. Holy Toledo. Man. That is sweet. Very, very cool. And got your radio. Pop that through. Nice looking radio. Wow. I have never heard of this company though. XLE, XIE, I don't know. It's kind of hard to read what it is. But wow. That is cool, guys. Air-filled tires. Got metal shocks. Metal arms. Metal everything. Look at all this metal. Wow. That is freaking cool. Metal chassis. Man. That is absolutely awesome. Like I said, I like that it comes with 2 bodies. That's cool as hell too. 2 different paint schemes. Something you've never seen before with any other RC I've ever had. Wow. That's awesome, guys. I totally am blown away. Huge, huge, huge thanks to the person that sent me this. Like I said, it's a secret on the box, so I don't know. But White, Michigan. Huh. Very cool. But yeah, man, that's awesome. Definitely like the look of this thing. Oh, are you kidding me? No way. Hang on a second, I gotta pull the body off because I think, whoops, pull this body off. Put the pins down there. It even comes with a battery. You gotta be kidding me. We got a heat sink. Got T-plugs. I'll change them out eventually, but it's got a battery. Wow. It's a, don't really say, looks like a 2-cell. Wow. Doesn't really, it's got to be a LiPo because it's got a balance plug, so it's got to be a LiPo. But wow, that is neat. Look at all that metal. It's a complete ready to run for sure. I mean, to come with the battery and everything. Wow. Very, very cool, guys. Like I said, huge thanks to whoever sent me this. This is awesome. Very, very much appreciated. That's just cool looking. Heck yeah. Like I said, it's got aluminum adjustable shocks. Wow. This will be a fun one to get out. So, well, guys, just wanted to show you the new RC that showed up on my doorstep today. I had no idea it was coming. And, yeah, definitely have to get this one out and run it. So, awesome. So, huge thanks, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.